And as this fight keeps going on, I think it'll just favor Anna because to me, she's the better conditioned fighter. See all the hard work she's putting at the Wild Card gym. And at the Sessions gym with her strength and conditioning coach, Laura Durolia.
Champion doing a really good job of cutting that ring off as well.
Anna Skornum and Angela Reyes asking for some Pacquiao movement right now. Good body shot by Julaton. Alcanter seems confused. She doesn't know what to do right now.
Anna's, you know, throw a jab and then sometimes she throws just a hook. And all the punches that she throw, you know, and, oh, man, look at that. All over the place.
No big shots, just run the numbers.
You know, Anna's last fight was this past June 30th. She defended her title in Canada, where she's been fighting a lot lately in Canada for her promoter, Alan Tremblay, and Orion Sports Management. She won a 10-round decision over Maria Elena Villalobos. And you would think for having you know, quite a long layoff that maybe she'd have a little bit of ring rust, but no, it doesn't look like that at all.
Yeah, because you know, I've known Anna, you know, and she works really hard, even though she's not fighting. She's training. So that's why. Yeah. Wow, there you go. That's all.
Good straight right lands for Anna.
Look, she's smiling right now.
A little bit of jawing